for sure. Right. So this is Wasabi Sandwich Podcast. We're in the middle of the 4th edition of the podcast, and we're kind of low energy right now. And it's raining, and you know the ground's all wet. It's been raining all day. So we're gonna take the time, and we've taken a little break, and we're going to pretty much frolic like little schoolgirls in the rain. Kid, do you just pick up a jacket? I think kids pick up a you picked up a cute.
Let's get wet.
Alright. So whenever you guys are ready, we'll go on 3. And the puddle looks like you're ready. You want to jump in? Yeah. That's on the football. You got it? You like it? You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, I got this. I got this. Hold this. Oh my God! I'm gonna hit myself.
Buddy, are you like this?
No.
Buddy, I'll do it with you. Come on, my glasses.
Oh my God, it's cold.
I'm not gonna light the shot though.
I regret this decision.
Oh no.
Let's go. Come do it.
Bad idea.
I love my life.
Are you happy, Mom?
Can't wash this off. Are you worried? I just do laundry.
Give me some mud on my face. Some mud on my face.
Hey, is there a lot of my face? I came out like a feed.
Go for it.
Hey, Noah, you want to do it?
No.
Hendrix, your dog.
Right here.
Yeah, I'm not doing it.
Come on, Hendrix. I got a Wasabi sandwich.
This is Wasabi Sandwich. Signing off.
With a good move.
Let's go.
I'm a pair of